Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're thinking about taking a Goethe course or taking a Goethe certificate, you're in the right place. Today I will tell you how to take the placement test for Goethe course. So I was thinking about, okay, last year I took my Goethe B1 certificate. Now I want to make it a bit better, so I was thinking about taking a Goethe course. So here for the course you have to take the placement test, and for the placement test you have to do it online. So as you can see, I am filling up a form before the exam, and then they just basic information that you have to fill up, like your name, your last name, your date of birth and email, and the password will come in the email with you. So let's see how the placement test takes place. It's basically online, and yeah, you can just do it from your home. Just take 1 hour for this test because it's very intensive, and I don't know, like for me it was like, okay, I really need to focus for those 1 hour. It wasn't like, okay, I will start somehow and then do it. It wasn't like that. So let's get into the test, and this is typically how the test questions look like for the placement. And to be honest, I found it pretty pretty easy, to be honest. And you have this kind of fill in the gaps, and you have multiple choice questions. So fill in the gaps are like this, and you have the text, you read through the text, you have options to fill in, and you just tick mark, okay, which one is A, which one is B, and then it's pretty much straightforward and it explains itself. So here I don't know right or wrong, but I'm trying my level best to correct this exam, because so my plan is to be in the B2 or C1 level of course. I don't know which level I will get, but let's see. And after giving the exam, they will give you the results instantly, so you know how many corrects and how many wrongs were done. So this is another text which I was reading through, and then I was trying to find the correct answer. I don't know if these are right or wrong, but yeah, this is how the placement test look like for Goethe online courses. So if I want to tell a bit more about why I'm taking these online courses, because right now I'm working full-time. When I was a student, I had time to learn German and everything, but for me right now it's almost impossible to find the correct time to have a focus 1 hour and read German and then do this kind of thing, or go to the classes on weekdays. So that's why I was trying to go through this weekend classes, which are like online, and it starts from 9 a.m. in the morning Saturday, and it's 4 hours. So yeah, almost the first half of Saturday it's blocked by this course, and I hope this will be intense. I never took it, so yeah. And this is a different kind of exam questions you have. This is same as the Goethe exam. You have this kind of pictures, and it's multiple choice questions. You just what is the correct preposition, what is the correct verb, what, like if you read once, twice or 3 times, it just comes spontaneously. So if you ask me the grammar rule, I don't think so I can explain you, but yeah, it comes automatically. So again, telling you, it's I don't know if these are right or wrong, or I'm not trying to I know everything. This is my, I don't know if this is my second or third or fourth language that I'm learning, and and a little of background. So when I gave my B1 exam, I prepared myself from VHS. So from there I took the courses, and then did the examination from Goethe, and as I'm living right now in Nuremberg, it's really far from Munich, so it's not possible to go there physically and take the classes physically. So that's why I am choosing the online version, and I think it's a bit more flexible, so I I can just, yeah, I know on the weekends we have so many plans, and now right now it's summertime, so yeah, all of the weekend days will be like, yeah, ruined for this. But yeah, if you're living in Germany, you have to, it's a must to learn German. So yeah, that's why I'm taking this one. So yeah, back to the placement test. This is how I'm struggling doing this and finding the correct answer. So yeah, and then you just click Weiter, then you go to the next page, and then you have I think this is the last portion of the exam where you have these 4 questions, and then afterwards you will have Schreiben. That means you have to write an essay. So mine was, you will see what it was for me. I'm not sure if this is the same question that everyone gets, but I got this one, and yeah, and I am taking the course for summer 2025. So yeah, so after the MCQ part, you will have this Schreiben where you have to write an essay. And as you can see, for me it was like how I am using my German skills in my Alltag, that means my day-to-day life and in office, and yeah, what do I expect from this course and so on. So yeah, it took me almost 15 to 20 minutes to write and reform and like do corrections and everything. Yeah, it's I think this is the hardest part of Goethe exam or Goethe placement test, that you have to write these things. And so as you can see, I wrote something, and yeah, this is what I submitted, and I was just going through if everything was good or bad, or what did I write, and yeah, so on, just reading through the text and everything. So this is something I really encourage everyone to do, that after writing something, please read through if you have written everything correctly, because while writing and thinking, you might do some mistakes, and those small mistakes can cut off 1 or 2 marks. So yeah, this is really important that you just write everything, and then afterwards you just go through all the text, and then what you wrote line by line, and then think about it. So after finishing everything, so you can just press Weiter, then you will pop up on the last page which says that how many mistakes did you did, and how was your exam overall. So yeah, as I told you, I didn't take any preparation, but yeah. So about the course, what kind of courses I'm having, I'm taking this course in the Deutsch Online in der Gruppe. So Niveau A1 bis C1, I don't know which one I will get. There are so many possibilities that you can do. Just go to Goethe's website, and then you have all in all idea how can you prepare for the exam and what are the courses they are offering. If you are situated in the areas where you have Goethe-Institut, I highly recommend you going there. There is a Prüfungsvorbereitung online for B1 for almost 300 euro. You can do it. So yeah, so best of luck for your exam, and thank you for watching.